In this video, we'll be looking at lesson 4.2, which is percentage word problems. This lesson is on page 122. So the first problem is, if x percent of 600 is equal to 450, then what is x? So to find what percent of a number equals a different number, you do the percent over 100 times the original number, and that's equal to the new number. So in this case, that will mean that x over 100 times 600 is equal to 450. The 100 and 600 can cancel, and that just becomes 6. This means that 6x equals 450, and x equals 75. The next problem is, if a number is decreased by 25%, it becomes 120, and they're asking what is a number. So in this case, we're going to call the number x. So this means that x minus 25% of x means 25 over 100 times x. So x minus 25 over 100 times x, and that is equal to 120. So this is equal to 100 over 100 times x minus 25 over 100 times x is equal to 120. That means that 75x over 100 equals 120. And then these cancel to form 3 over 4. So x equals 120 times 4/3, which is equal to 160. Next problem is, if an 80% score on a test is equal to 567 points, then what was the test out of? So to do this, you have called the total number of points equal to x. So this means that 80 over 100 times x is equal to 576, which means that x is equal to 576 times 100 over 80, which is equal to 720. This means that the test was out of a total of 720. Next problem is, the price of a product after a 20% increase is equal to 96 rupees per kilogram. And the question is to find the original price. So to this, a 20% increase means that you add 20 over 100 times a number. So if the original price is equal to x, the 20% increase means that it'll be x plus 20 over 100 times x, and that's equal to 96. So that means that 120 over 100 times x equals 96, which means that x equals 96 times 100 over 120. So x is equal to 80 rupees. Final problem is, the income of a person is increased by 10% and then decreased by 10%. And the question is to find the total change in his income. So to do this, you have to write this as in terms of the original income. So first you have to write the original change of increase in 10% as in terms of his original income. So that would be x, if x is the original income. So x plus 10 over 100 times x, which is equal to x plus x over 10, or 11x over 10. Next, you have to decrease by 10% off of that. So this is 11x over 10 minus 10 over 100 times 11x over 10, which is equal to, these cancel, so 11x over 10 minus 11x over 100 is equal to 110x over 100 minus 11x over 100, since you have to multiply top and bottom of this fraction by 10. And then you should subtract these from each other, you get this is equal to 99x over 100. which is equal to 99% of x. This means that the total change was a 1% decrease in this person's income. And that is the end of the video.